If you're joining SaaS Labs, it means that you will be given a lot of ownership of things that you're doing. We believe in this idea of mini CEO. So whatever you're doing, you're the CEO of that thing.
I think this last year, right, has been a very momentous year for SaaS Labs. We've grown a lot. We've built a rocket ship. So I want the entire team to just take in a day to bask in the success of whatever we've achieved so far, but also get prepared for building a bigger rocket ship for the next year.